Alright, I'm filming! Between my allergies in this house, we just all crazy up in here. And welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about Boxycharm, the base box and the premium box for May. So before we jump into the video, I'm going to give my little disclaimer that I always give. My name's Rhonda, and over here we 100% embrace the hot mess. You never know what you're going to get. Let's be honest. You don't know if I'm caffeinated or just flat out crazy. It's a little bit of both today. And it's a judgment and drama free zone. So none of that I just said even matters, because it's a judgment free zone. So hopefully you'll stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, all of that fun stuff. Yesterday I actually uploaded a video giving you guys a sneak peek spoiler of the Boxycharm Boxy Luxe box for June. So I will have the thumbnail that looks like this at the end of this video if you guys want to head over and check out that video as well. Just disclaimer, in that video I did talk about hopeful for a brand takeover for maybe the premium box or what have you. And the picture I show you guys, some of you guys were like, you do know that that's a cake. I did 100% know that it is a cake. I do believe I even put some sort of thing up here talking about how delicious that cake looked. I'm back on keto, so I want all things carbs. Anyways, so yes, I did know it was a cake, and I'm just very hopeful about that Gerard Cosmetics brand takeover. That would be amazing. But that's not what we're talking about today. We are talking about the base box for May. We're going to start off with that. Now, the base box is a $25 plus tax box. It is worth $125 worth of product in that $25 box. So I'm pretty excited about this box because what we know so far is choices. And I will pop a picture up over here. I'll scooch. I think normally I do this side. I'm going to do this side. Okay, starting right off, for the choices, there was 3 choices that we could have picked. And by the way, or you could just let Boxycharm choose. And that's what I do. So, and my husband is trying to turn the water on. Do you guys hear that? Okay. So the first choice item was the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. Now I'm on, and you'll see it over here, I'm on Sephora's site right now. Now this has a retail value of $49, and a little information about it. For skin types, it's good for normal, dry, and combination skin. It's a moisturizing mask packed with super berries and probiotics to help repair skin's moisture barrier. Now real quick, if you decided not to get this particular item, I always tell you guys not to worry about that, because there is what's called add-ons, and even though it might not be next month, a lot of the times we will see past products in the add-ons or in Boxy pop-up, which I'll talk about a little bit later in the video. So as far as that goes, even if you decided against this particular product, you may see it in the future as an add-on or in Boxy pop-up, or you know, you may want to just pick it up at the Sephora VIB sale. I don't know. That sale is still going on when I'm filming this video. So that is one of the choice items. Next, we have the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. So this has a retail value of $59. And a little bit about this, it does say that it has the LMS patented tri-enzyme technology. They act as a very effective yet gentle skin perfecting exfoliator, which you guys know I love chemical and physical exfoliators for my skin. And I mean, if your skin can handle it, definitely do that, because it helps to slough off all of the ick and just give you a nice shiny, brighter appearance, at least in my head. But you know, I'm not an artist or a dermatologist or anything like that. I am just a mom with a lot of loud children that drinks a lot of coffee, and here lately sometimes wine, but we're not going to judge because fortunately it's judgment free. So like I said, $59 for that. And then the other item that was a choice item, which had me like shocked, because a lot of the times we've seen Hourglass in the past, but we've always seen it in like the premium box. So to get to see Hourglass as an option in our base box, I thought was absolutely amazing, because this alone is a $42 item. It is the Vanish Flash highlighting stick. And again, this was one of the choices. So you could have chose the Glam Glow Berry Glow Mask, $49, the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Pads, $59, or the Hourglass Highlighting Flash Stick, and again, that was $42. It does come in a total of 5 different shades. So let me know down below if you do get the Boxycharm base box, which choice item did you pick from? I'm again gonna apologize, guys. My husband is working right outside the window, and I can see him bebop past out of the side eye, and I'm like, I get thrown off. You know I get thrown off. Okay, so the next item I'm gonna talk about with you guys is I can't get 100% confirmation on this. I do know 100% that we will be seeing this brand in our base box, and this is the House Laboratories product or line. And again, this is a Lady Gaga brand, and I've heard a lot of speculation that it's going to be the liquid eyeliner, which does have a $20 retail value. Now again, this I've seen mixed things on. I've heard things like it may be a lipstick or an eyeshadow or a lip liner or the eyeliner. So if you guys know and I just haven't seen it, let me know down below if you guys know 100% which one it is. I just know that we will be seeing it in our base box, so I thought that was pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and talk about the premium box. Now, the premium box, you guys have told me, is a wait list, but the wait list has been moving very, very fast. Now, this is a $35 a month box, and $35 plus tax, and it does give you a retail value of at least $175 worth of product in this box. Again, like the standard base box, this is a monthly box. Now, as far as choices went for the May premium box, the first item that you guys could have chose is the Smashbox eyeshadow trio. These have a retail value of like $22 to $23 depending on where you look. I was checking Sephora, and I will tell you guys, I actually did get one of these little trios in a different subscription box last month, and it was really nice. I was shocked because, you know, I just feel like Smashbox is like, you don't hear too much about it, but this little trio, let me pull the palette for you. This little trio was really cute. This was in hashtag repost, and I really liked the eyeshadow in this palette. Hopefully that's focused well and you guys can see it. It's like the pretty, this is like, it looks like it's gonna be white, but it was a really pretty like duo shift type. It was really pretty. Anywho, I really liked the formula in this little trio, so if you guys did happen to pick this, I think you're really going to enjoy it. Next, you could have picked the Too Faced Gold Bronzer, which has a retail value of $30. I'm a little confused on this because I have seen where, and again, I don't pick, Boxycharm picks for me. So with that being said, I've heard some people say that when it came to the choices, it showed matte or gold. So let me know down below if you guys had that come up and which one you chose. Last but not least, I saw it was the Skin & Co. Eye Cream, a Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate type of cream. So again, they're giving us like the nice variation of, do you want makeup or are you looking for skincare? And it's so funny because I've been getting Boxycharm for years. Like when it, I don't know, it was maybe like a year after that they started, I was getting it. I'd heard about it and I signed up for it and I got the subscription. And I remember that when Boxycharm first started, it was very, very makeup heavy. And the very first video I ever did on my channel was a Boxycharm unboxing. And I remember people saying like, it's just too much makeup, it's too much makeup. I want to see more skincare. And now I feel like Boxycharm has 100% listened and they give a variation of that. So remember, definitely make sure to update your quiz every so often and make sure that if you're wanting more makeup, because I've heard that Joe is really trying to get the algorithm to pay attention, and we're going to see that in future boxes as long as we stay up on our quizzes and everything of what we're looking for, if that made sense. I'm getting so sidetracked, guys, so sidetracked. Oh Lord, I'm gonna hear about it in the comment section. Next, we can expect to see the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. Now this I do not have. What I have is a C Color Cosmetics dupe for this, which it's like under $10, you guys. I use this all the time and I talk about it a lot, but we are supposed to see the Too Faced Natural Matte palette in our premium box, which I thought was really exciting because these are just really simple colors, really easy to navigate, kind of. I mean, you can see I use this quite often. I do have a coupon code because C Color Cosmetics does take inspiration and dupe a lot of high-end palettes, and you know, if you don't want to spend all that money but you still want that color scheme type of deal, definitely check out C Color Cosmetics. Hotmess 10 does save you 10%. FYI, it is an affiliate code, so I will earn a commission off that. But I always remind you guys, check out C Color Cosmetics. So anyways, we are supposed to see the Too Faced Natural Matte palette, which has a retail value of $38. And then last but not least, we know that we will be seeing the Kevin Kwan mascara. That has a retail value of $29. And I thought it was really cool the way the wand, I can't tell, but from the picture, the wand looks like it's bent, like curved, but also like, I don't know, it like curved oddly. I don't know. I'm excited to try that because you guys know I love mascara. So before I end today's video, I do want to remind you guys, Boxy pop-up is May 12th, and they are supposed to hopefully possibly have hand sanitizer in there. And if you do sign up for Boxycharm, I always like to show you guys the free gifts that you can get on top of everything else. But if you do sign up for Boxycharm, right now they are giving you guys a $6 coupon to use in Boxy pop-up, which like I said is happening in May. So definitely write down that important date, because you're gonna have the opportunity to pick up a whole bunch of different products. And if you sign up, if you're new to Boxycharm, you sign up, you will get $6 to put towards that. So like I said, Joe is working and trying to get hand sanitizer and whatnot for Boxy pop-up. I know he was talking about trying to do it for add-ons as well. So anywho, if you are new to Boxycharm and you want to pick up the base box or get on the wait list for the premium box, I will have a link pinned down below for you guys in my comment section. That is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do sign up using my link. And I will tell you guys, the code to get $6 is SAVE6POP. You'll see it up here in the picture. So also, just want to remind you guys, again, I'll have this pinned in the comment section down below for you all. I have a giveaway going on right now on our channel. It is the Zoeva Caramel Meringue, whatever palette, and the Illuminati Cosmetics little makeup sponge. So definitely check the pin post down there so you can go over to that video to enter into that giveaway. I think that's all the little sneak peeks I have for you guys today. I'm actually going to jump off because the Boxycharm in session is getting ready to go live, and I want to watch that and see if I can find any information for us. So anyways guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. Stay safe, stay home if you can, and until next time friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!